It's so cool. I really want this balloon fidget. Let's ask Mom. Mom!
Yes.
Please come here.
Okay, what is it, honey?
Can you buy this balloon fidget for me?
First, let me take a look at it. No way. I'm not buying that for you. You'll get bored of it soon. And for that, should I buy that for you? And it's expensive. You're not gonna get that. Forget about it.
But I really wanted that. Wait, I can make it on my own. Welcome back to my channel. As you saw that my mother didn't buy me that balloon fidget, but I'm making it my own. So how exciting is that? So here are the materials. So the materials require an empty bottle, napkin, hand soap, big bowl, corn flour. Warning, do not try this. I have tasted it. It was really bad. Balloons, a glass of water and scissors. Let's get started. First step, we need an empty bottle and scissors. We are going to cut this and make a funnel. Be careful, kids. Finally, we managed to cut this. Second step, we need corn flour, this funnel, and balloons. First, take this balloon. Take this balloon and put here. Let's add corn flour through this funnel. All three are done. Third step, take a big bowl and add water. Oh no, this is not enough. I get more water. Now let's add hand soap. Now let's add the balloons. Pop. Let's wait for 10 minutes. Let's try it. It's been 10 minutes. Okay, let's see what happens. What? It worked! Mom, it worked!
Wow, this is so cool. Much better than what we saw on Amazon, right?
Yeah.
Wow, can I touch it? Wow, that's so cool.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna take it.
No! That's mine!
It's so cool. Can I please?
No. I'll make you one.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you friends for watching my video. Please try this fidget and let me know. Bye!